In previous tutorial, created a complete registration form to store data in our database. Now, storing a new user information like as user@gmail.com and address Bangladesh and password 126 and register. Confirm password 126, register. We are returning successfully. So our database connected and registration form is okay. And storing information in database. Now we are in login form to matching user information valid or not. First of all, we are replace all in extension like as HTML to PHP and rename all file name. File extension HTML to PHP. In our login.php file, at first in format PHP format and session start. And include database link of database server /connection.php to connect it our database. In if condition, we are checking user is valid or not. In first if condition, we are checking user information is confirmly submitted in our database or not. So if we set post login button and email equals to post email and password equals to post password. And a statement prepare and double quotation select user ID comma username and user email user password from in our database, because of our database is users. So check in our registration form. Users. Here user email equals to question mark and user password equals to question mark and limit 1. In our query is written. So new statement bind param underscore param string because of our email and password also string. So in our string email and password. And second if condition, we are checking this user is email and password is verify or not. So if a statement if a statement execute and second bracket statement bind result in result user ID user email username user email and user password. and a statement store result and semicolon and new, and if and that if condition, and in this condition number rows equal 1 if matching the user information, user email and user password, so that user is verified. So in a statement and fetch and session user id equals to $user id, and copy and paste to replace user id to username and user email to email underscore user email and user password. And underscore logged in successful, logged in session, logged in through. And header to return in users to account.php file, account.php, our message, return in message, logged in successfully. And else that user is not verified. So in this message we are could not verify, and in our second if condition, else something went wrong. RNG wrong, and replace error and return in location, logged in PHP and logged in PHP. In our form action login.php and method post. Now check in our login form to replace PHP and refresh email, user email and user password. We are successfully and account.php, create a new file, account.php, and copy index.php file also pasted here, and header file is to take account page. We are redirect to account page. Now we are given a wrong information like as password is wrong to display wrong, error, and login.php file redirected. If we are entering a valid user information, successfully gone. And thank you everyone.